when I was about 12. My father lost his job. My mom also was just a teacher, and things were really tough. I had to go out to work around 14 years old. I was a DJ, spinning in discos. That was my main primary source of income, working at night. Even while I was in the army, I worked at night, and in the day I went to the army, so I had very little sleep, but I had no choice but to survive. Well, in my early days, I tried some businesses and they all failed. And there was a day when I came home and I was hungry, and when I looked into my wallet, I realized I had only 10 cents. And that really made me think in life that life is really very tough if you don't work and you don't become successful. So through the years, I've always told myself that nothing's impossible. All you need to do is be hardworking, put a lot of effort, a lot of passion, a lot of soul into what you do. Do your best. You're bound to succeed. I see a lot of youngsters these days, they come out, they get their degrees, and they just want to do their own business, and most of the time they fail because they lack experience. You need to go out and work for somebody, learn the hard ways, be told off in the office, going through politics, all that kind of stuff. I've always loved Mercedes Benzes, and I think that whatever model it is, like a Ponton 219, they all have a significant character that never runs out of time. Even if you see a real classic, a 1960s classic today, they still look great on the street, and they're still head turners. And all Mercedes-Benz are built to last, and they're really, really very strong. The engines are very hardy, and you get a lot of joy driving a Mercedes-Benz. I've always a space in my heart for Mercedes-Benzes. Hi, I'm Kenneth Mark Yong. I'm the director of Love Classic Rides Private Limited, and this is my 1958 Mercedes Ponton, which I just imported in, and it will be going through quite an extensive restoration. And looking at it, I think it's really a classic, and I hope to bring it back to its old glory days.